Hey everybody, pry bar production is going well. These 3 pry bars are from batch 2. I just have 2 more loads of this pallet and then I'm done fulfilling the Kickstarter. Today's video, however, is not about pry bars, it's about branding irons. Vise is all set up. Now I need to get my pry bar fixture out of the way so there's enough spindle clearance to get this whole branding iron done. I already have most of these tools already put together from before I moved, but I need to replace the tool on this one and reset them all since I've moved the machine. Tools are set, now we just need to probe in the location of this material. I think we're ready to start cutting. There was definitely a low spot in my brass, but that's all right. That's just cosmetic and will be sandblasted anyway. First half of the branding iron is done. Now we need to sandblast it before we can put it back in the machine. And this is why I wasn't worried about that facing operation not quite getting the whole surface. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the sandblaster. The edges are done, the bottom is still ugly. I do the sandblasting for a number of reasons. One is it hides my ugly saw cut edges, which on my Portaband are awfully ugly. 2, I'm gonna finish this face with sandpaper and polish up the top surface. And that'll give me contrast between the inside of the grooves, which will have the sandblasted texture, and the top of the surface, which will be polished. On this side, I really do need to take off the full amount, so I'm gonna have to lower my offset a little bit and restart this program. Let's try this again. That's better. The mill's still running, but I need to get to bed, so I'm just gonna let it finish overnight, and we will do the rest of this in the next video. Good night, mill.